This is how we jive from our Communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. You can see I have a small box for you guys. I have a battery for my Canon D77D camera. Here we go, let's see. It comes with a USB cable. You can see this is C port. We'll go to that later. And here is the battery. This is old battery, you can see here, of my Canon. You can see here D77 or similar model. So what is special about this one? You don't need any charger to charge this one. You can charge with your phone charger. It's very easy, it will be. So this one you need a charger. So let's see, the packaging is good. Here we go, let's see. The wrapped, good packaging in this case. Wow, beautiful. You see here, so this is, here we go, the C port. You just inject here, C plug, and you can charge with your iPhone with Samsung charger. Very easy guys, so very high tech. It's the same. Let me put the battery in my DSLR. Take this off from here. We put, perfect. Let's see if it has any charge or not. It's coming with charge guys. Perfect, so it's working. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.